Step 1. Roll down your windows. And then you're going to take the supplied alcohol wipes and clean the surfaces that the visor is going to be applied to. I would recommend doing this out in the sun, then everything dries up pretty quickly. You need to make sure that the surfaces are dry before you go to step 2. Step 2. You're going to take your visor and line it up with the window. And then you'll see these little dimples. This is where you want to take some painter's tape and mark where those dimples are. That's where the mounting feet are going to go into the channels. So included with the kit is a clear bag with 8 clear protective film stickers. You're going to use these for where you mark those dimples. This is where the hooks will go onto the window frame. You can use them, you don't have to use them. I use them to protect the surface.
Now on these clips, there's this rubber piece. I originally thought that you were supposed to keep these on. Then it doesn't make any sense. They're just protective for the clips. These hook onto your windows. So make sure to take these off. They're on both sides.
So you're going to take your window visor, and on the back you're going to peel on both sides about 3 or 4 inches of the tape backing, and then you're going to let that hang. You're then going to line up your visor where you want it to sit. Have those hooks go over the window frame. After you have it hooked where you want it, you're going to pull back on the red backing on both sides, and that'll expose the sticky part. Just press down firmly all across. Open your door to check that there's no light leaks. This is important because if ever rains, then water is going to go through. You're going to apply the exact same process for the fronts to the rears. Just make sure that your rears line up with the fronts. The two pieces are different.